chicken politics. Oh my God, what a racket! The chickens don't like change. This building here is the maternity wing. We call it the maternity wing. It's the only suitable place we have for chicks, really. So if we get a broody hen, that's where we like her to go. However, the rest of the time, that's where they usually all lay their eggs. But of course, once you've got a broody hen, you've got to keep her away from all the other chickens, or at least it's ideal if you keep her away from all the other chickens. And they are not happy. They do have another place to lay an egg. They have the egg loo. This is the egg loo. It came from the UK with us. It's an absolutely brilliant design. It's totally perfect for keeping a small amount of chickens in your backyard. However, it's not at all suitable for raising chicks. This is our chicken food. Now these are layers pellets. They are cheap. We also give them this stuff. This is trigo, which is wheat. But we also allow our hens to free range in the afternoon, and basically this is their larder. What do you feed your chickens? I give mine everything. Scraps from the table, that includes meat. Here I have a whole load of leftovers. Leftovers from lunch, which was meatballs, spaghetti, a bit of gravy, leftover bread, leftover bacon, a few vegetables, all whizzed up, so it's chopped quite small, and now I'm going to give it to the hens. Yeah, come here, Marty. This is the gunk that my sink collected. I give this to the chickens as well. Bits of onion, bits from our plate, just crap leftovers really. The hens will eat that. This is Mac. He's our cockerel. He's the father, the grandfather, the great-grandfather, the husband, and the daddy of all of our chickens. Yeah. Apparently in the chicken world this is okay. That's the oldest chicken we've got. She's 6 years old. She's a pure Castilian, which is one of the oldest breeds of chicken in the world. I think she's starting to feel her age now. She limps a bit when she walks. I suppose we do keep her out of sentimental reasons. But not just that. It is healthy and good for a flock to have an elderly chicken. She knows the score, she knows where to find the best food. She's the wise woman of the tribe. We have a hen called Queenie. No, we don't normally name our chickens, but quite often names just come up for them, and I don't know why she got named Queenie, but she got named Queenie. Anyway, she has, excuse me, she has raised 2 batches or 2 clutches of chicks in the past, so she knows what she's doing. To start with, we thought we had 2 broody hens. We thought we had a white one as well, who was feeling broody, and she was squeezing into the same nest box with Queenie. Well, the day before that, another brown one squeezed into the same nest with Queenie, and we didn't know what was going on. It was just a bit ridiculous. Anyway, having decided that we had 2 broody hens, we gave them both eggs and let them sit in separate nest boxes. The white hen sat for a few hours, a good few hours, and then she got fed up. And then she decided to go off and do other things, so we have now banned her from the maternity wing. So Queenie's on her own in there. How are you doing, Queenie? Yeah, you can see if I zoom in, her comb has gone very, very pale. She's actually only about a week into it now, and yeah, it takes quite a toll out of them, this sitting on the eggs carry-on. So Mac, these eggs that Queenie sat on, they better be fertilised. That's an awful lot of effort to go to if they're not. That is a clutch of eggs that's not supposed to be there. Not too bad. Right, okay, 7 eggs. Quite dirty. Gonna have to wash them and float them to see if they're too old. Okay. Let's go for the biggest one. That's a fresh egg. I did this once with half a dozen eggs I bought in a shop in England, and every single one of them floated between halfway and up to the top, and they were supposedly fresh eggs. Oh yes, I forgot to say, the chicks are due on the 21st of June.